Understanding melting chocolate in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a delightful and evocative phrase in the English language: melting chocolate. This phrase isn't just about the culinary process. It's rich with meaning and usage in various contexts. Whether you're a fan of sweets or interested in the nuances of English expressions, this video will unwrap the layers of melting chocolate for you. Melting chocolate refers to the process of turning solid chocolate into a liquid form. This transformation typically occurs by applying gentle heat to the chocolate. The melting point of chocolate is just below the human body temperature, which is why chocolate melts in your mouth and feels so satisfying. In English, melting chocolate can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation or feeling that is warm, comforting, and indulgent. For example, a smile as warm as melting chocolate could describe someone's smile that is incredibly warm and comforting, making you feel at ease immediately. Writers often use melting chocolate to add sensory detail to their writing, evoking a sense of warmth, richness, and pleasure. Describing a scene, a feeling, or even a look with this phrase can convey a deep sense of satisfaction and comfort, much like the experience of eating melting chocolate itself. It's also worth noting the cultural significance of chocolate in various societies. Chocolate has been a symbol of luxury, love, and indulgence for centuries. The phrase, melting chocolate, therefore, can carry connotations of love, passion, and deep pleasure, enriching its meaning in communication and creative expression. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the phrase, melting chocolate, in the English language. From its literal meaning to its metaphorical and cultural significance, melting chocolate is a phrase that can add depth and richness to your communication. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.